a México, pues nos gustaría que nos platicaras un poquito pues de esta visita.
She would like to know a little bit about your visit here.
Okay.
Mhm.
So yeah, I've been in Mexico quite a few times, but this is my first time on my own for my shows. So obviously I'm very excited. First time in Monterrey for myself, and hopefully it's gonna be great. We're gonna have some fun.
What can we expect from tomorrow?
Well, A Night with Mattel is my first tour, is the title I wanted to give to my first shows, because I thought was the best way to represent this intimate, simple night, what Mattel would be performing for his friends at his place. So it's gonna be a mix of my music, my songs, the music I've been releasing since the last couple of years, and obviously those songs that made my childhood, that music that I've been listening since I was a little kid. And so yeah, it's gonna be a fun journey.
Why did you choose Monterrey to start this leg of your tour?
Well, obviously, first of all, I've never been to Monterrey, so it's always great to visit new cities. But obviously I also have a team behind that works with me, and obviously the goal is to try to visit as many places as possible here in Mexico. But let's see, we have to start from somewhere, and I think that Monterrey it's a beautiful way to start.
Your father told you about this place, about this city, tell you something about Monterrey?
Well, I think that probably the last time that it was in Mexico was right here in Monterrey, probably a year ago. And but unfortunately, like whenever we travel, we don't really have the chance to visit much, because especially him, he flies in for the show and he flies out the same day. So, but obviously, he told me that to be kind of like tranquil, because the Mexican audience is very warm, it's very welcoming, and so again, I'm very curious to start this beautiful journey and to play for my first time here in Mexico.
How did this idea of this tour came up? How did you the name it? Because the name is really cool.
You mean the name of the tour?
Yeah, and the whole concept of the tour.
Well, yeah, the name sometimes I play with the concept of the of the title of the tour, because A Night with Mattel could be a little bit misunderstood. But as I always say, I'm a good boy. So yeah, that was the idea, to obviously to try to reach as many countries as possible. We toured probably already 3 times in US. We did Europe, we did Australia, and Latin America obviously has always been an amazing market for Italians as well. We have many Italians. We have the dear friends like Laura Pausini, Eros Ramazzotti, and obviously it was also my dream to be able to come here and to make my own shows. And it's a dream that is happening, and I want to truly enjoy every single moment.
What do you think of the Mexican fans?
Well, as I said, Mexican fans, this is gonna be my first show on my own, but I had a chance to perform a few times with my dad and on stage with him here in Mexico, and I only have honestly beautiful memories. People again that are very welcoming, that are warm, that always have a smile on their faces, and I guess that this is what we want. Whenever we're on stage and we make music, we want to have fun and enjoy the moment, and I think Mexicans are the ones.
What are the pros and cons of being Andrea Bocelli's sons?
Well, obviously, as everything in life, there are of everything. There's a positive and a negative aspect. There's some positive, but probably the one that the negative one is that people obviously has a lot of expectations. But again, it's part of the game, I knew that when I wanted to pursue this career, I knew that that would have been one of the points. But I like challenges, and I think that whenever you love something, you don't really think of the obstacles. You just jump.
Perfect. Thank you. Did you hear something about Mexican artists? There's something. Would you like to work Mexican?
Well, I think collaborations has to come in a very spontaneous way, in a very authentic way. I had the honor to make my first collaborations. Okay, the one with my father, yes. But after that one, I did the one with Sebastian Yatra.
Yes.
You may know him very well. And that one was a very spontaneous one, and so I'm very open to every collaboration whenever it comes in a good way with a will from both sides. And so who knows, if in the future there'll be a chance, I'd say obviously yes.